How to send a photo as view once on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can send a photo and let the other person view them only once. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is make sure you have either downloaded or updated your WhatsApp app to the latest version. If you have not done so, make sure to do this by heading over to your App Store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated WhatsApp, simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, just go ahead and open up a chat thread over here on where you want to send a view once message, which means the disappearing photos. So in order to do that, first of all, simply tap on this little camera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here you simply want to select the photo or video which you want to send. So in this case, let's say that I want to simply select any of these photos for the example and the context right over here. But if I just send them, this footage or this photo is going to be downloaded to their phone and they'll be able to view it multiple times. So in order to only set this photo as view once, what I have to do is on the right hand side you can see this little one button. So go ahead and simply tap on it, and as you do that you can see photo set to view once. So go ahead and make sure to check it. As you check it, you can see one, and you can uncheck it as well, but just check it and it will be set to view once. Now you can go ahead and simply tap on this DMs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to send that particular photo, and the recipient or your contact will only be able to view that photo for once. And this is how you can send photo as view once on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.